In today's video, I will show you how to manage personal health information through MyChart online website. Before starting the video, let us know what is MyChart. MyChart is an online website where patients can create and manage their own personal health information based on clinical and personal information. So let's see how it works. First, open Google and search for MyChart. Hit enter. Click on this first link, login MyChart. It will navigate us to MyChart login page. As I do not have any account with MyChart, I am clicking on register. Under registration page, please choose the organization you are registered with. All the hospitals have been listed under these two regions, Greater Toronto Area and Southwest Ontario. Search for your hospital based on your region and click on that hospital name. As soon as we click on the hospital, it will navigate us to sign up with MyChart page. Enter your first name, last name. Make sure your first name and last name should match with your OHIP or health card. Select your date of birth, gender. Enter your Ontario health card number. It should be only numeric value as shown in this picture. Hospital registration PIN. As of now, I don't have hospital registration PIN. To get the registration PIN, here is one link. Click here to get your PIN. Click on this link. Now I am in Regional Patient Portal Account Initiation page. In this page, we have to fill all the mandatory fields like our first name, last name. Here also our first name and last name should be as it appears on our health card. Enter your email address, confirm your email address. Ontario health card number, only numbers, no spaces, no dashes or any special characters. Select your date of birth. Here, upload the photo of Ontario health card and selfie photo holding health card. This option is for selfie photo of guardian holding their own photo ID. This is for patients who are less than 12 years old. If you want to get the notifications on news and updates of MyChart, you can click on this checkbox. I have filled all the mandatory fields, now clicking on upload. Once you upload all your details, you will get a message. Thank you for initiating your MyChart patient portal account. Due to the current high demand, we make every attempt to process these requests within 1 week, Monday to Friday. We do not work weekends. If you do not receive your PIN within 10 days, please reach out to mychartontario@hhsc.ca. For more information, please visit healthrecordsonline.ca. At the same time, you will receive an auto-generated email from MyChart. I received hospital registration PIN after 3 days. Here is the email, MyChart account created. Clicking on this email, here is my PIN 3390. Now I am going back to sign up with MyChart page, entering my first name, last name as it appears in OHIP card, date of birth, gender, entering my Ontario health card number, entering hospital registration PIN which I have received. Click on next. In this page, we have to fill all the mandatory fields to complete our registration process. Enter your email address, retype your email address. You can pick a username. Create a password, verify your password. You can follow this password standards guidelines. Here are few security questions. You can select any security question and answer them for security purpose. You can go through this MyChart user agreement. Then click on this checkbox, I agree with terms of use, and click on submit button. Now I have registered with MyChart. Clicking on homepage button. Enter your username and password, click on login. This is the MyChart homepage where we can see personal records, clinical records, share my records and manage my account. If you want to check your clinical records, click on this clinical records drop down. Again, click on your regional clinical records drop down. The information which you want to know from your provider, you can check in this list. For example, I want to know my lab results, so clicking on lab results. Here you can see all the details of your lab results. In few places you can see notes link. You can click on that and check what examiner has written. You can also take a print of this lab result. If you want to check your X-ray and scanning report, you can check in radiology. If you want to share your clinical records with your family and friends, click on Share My Records. Fill all the details like relationship with you, their names and email address and so on. Then click on Grant Access to MyChart button. Through Manage My Account, you can edit your profile, change your password and so on. I hope this information is helpful. Please share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.